Angelhere from Mick Angelhere as well. Right now I am in Port Stephens and the wind is blowing at 19 to 20 knots coming straight from the west here in Port Stephens. Right now what we have here, I mean the wind is blowing it right through my hearing aids and all I can hear is just when I go hearing aids I have to turn them off. But what we have here in the distance is the magnificent Mount Yakima. And you can climb up that mountain, walk up. The first part of the track is quite easy, but when you get to that summit, it is really difficult because it literally goes up like that, and if you've got walking issues, forget it. What we have there is a World War II gun emplacement bunker, and this bunker was built to protect Port Stephens from the threat of invasion by the Japanese during the Second World War. The reason being is that because the Hunter Valley, the Hunter region, is full of coal mines, and there are also Newcastle port of Newcastle as well, so they saw this as a strategic asset. So the authorities built this bunker here and several others around the region. Wow, that's a strong